Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to set a custom seed on your server. Firstly, all you have to do is head to Server.pro and head into your Java server. Then open up your Java servers, head to Worlds, and ta-da! The menu is super simple. Here you can either create a random new world by pressing the blue button, or you can name your world and then set the level seed right here. I'll be pasting the seed I saw online, and it's so gorgeous. Keep in mind that the seed you paste has to be compatible with the server version you are on as well. For example, if you enter a seed used for the newest version of Minecraft but you're on the oldest version, that won't work. However, once you're done, press Create World. That will instantly add that world into the corner here, and you can go to the dashboard to check the progress of the world generation. Then, once it's generated, you can head into your server using the hostname. I'll be doing this myself as well to show you that the seed I entered works, and then I'll be entering my server. As you can see, the seed indeed worked, and it's the same as the one I found online. Doing it on Bedrock is also just as simple. All you have to do is open up your Bedrock servers and then head into Files. For this section, ensure your server is turned off and then open up Server.properties. Scroll down until you see the option level name and then change the name of the world here so the server knows to generate a new one. Then underneath, you'll see the level seed option as well. This is where you're going to want to paste the seed number. Once that's done, save the file and start up your server. Once it's all started, copy the hostname and keep note of the port. Open up Bedrock and enter the appropriate details such as the port, etc. and then head in. As you can see, I have found a Bedrock seed on the internet that I liked, and it's now the exact same one on my server. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!